wanted to tell you all about how did I get into Marangoni with my portfolio. I will showcase some parts of my portfolio that helped me get a scholarship there. How was my interview process like? What all documents do you need while applying to Marangoni? And how is their online portal like? I will tell you everything. And this is my fashion designing portfolio that I made at the end of my bachelor's and used it to apply to Marangoni and got in with a good amount of scholarship. So let's get talking. Applying to colleges like Marangoni, authenticity, storytelling, your individuality really matters. And if your projects are showing that, I believe your the storytelling skill of showing your portfolio should also definitely reflect that. And that will give you extra points if you can say that way. Then once you give your enrollment fee, which currently is 5,500 euros, and once you pay that, you will be the other area is a documents area that will open up, and then you submit your diploma, or they call it attendance certificate, which na transcript या कुछ दे सकते हो, because if you don't have your degree yet, if you have your degree, you might as well upload that. And उसके बाद they ask for transcript of grades. Then again you add a transcript here, and then they ask for your copy of passport, your CV or resume, then your portfolio, your personal statement. It can be about 2 pages, and then you have to sign it, hand sign it, and then upload it with the date. Then you have your reference letter 1 and reference letter 2. What I did was I gave one reference letter from my dean. The reference letter was from the company where I was working as an intern or a trainee with in Gurgaon. So I feel like it was important that one comes from the academic purpose and one comes from the practicality purpose. कि एक जो तुमने सीखा theory everything, the institution is giving that, and the other one is the practical aspect of it कि तुमने उसको apply किया from a company, you're getting the reference letter, so that can help you get your whole thing a little more stronger. So talking about my first project that I have added here is Consumption Apocalypse. It was again the group project for a national sustainability competition. And the whole idea here was that people tend to keep in mind more about the villains rather than the heroes. Villain has a huge hold on your brain, and तुम उनकी जल्दी सुन लेते हो because they are really aggressive, they're a little powerful, they're a little monstrous. So we wanted to get sustainability as an aspect across to the audience through a dystopian villain. I mean, you add a little processed pictures, how you went about it, and then you add a little photos. The photo shoots were not really professional, but I still tried to capture the whole outfit, then some details of it, because this was a very detail heavy garment. Then you add the whole outfit pictures, the makeup, whole details and everything. What I did in the whole portfolio was portfolio का खुद का एक style था, लेकिन as the projects were changing, project के according ही style change हल्का हल्का हो रहा था. So it had a little identity of its own, her project की. Applying to colleges like Marangoni, authenticity, storytelling, your individuality really matters. And if your projects are very detail heavy, try करना कि सारी details capture कर रहे हो, zoom in of whatever you're doing. Obviously you can add a full image of your model, but details पे focus करना भी important है, so you add everything. And yeah, then I tried to show a little bit of knitting. I did a little knitting project too, so I wanted to add that, and the concept here was similar. So yeah. And then I added a little AI project. मैंने try किया था कि हर part हल्का cover हो जाए, because the course I was applying to was an AI integrated course. They are heavy on teaching you how to integrate it into fashion world, आगे designing कैसे करनी है with generative AIs and using AIs in your world. So I added a project that I did with AI. I'll skim it. This was a project that we wanted to do for Levi's. How will we imagine Levi's in a spring summer collection? Then there was this Victorian project that I think I did in my second year, and I added my mood board, my client board had a whole page of your sketches. This page was just about my technicals and my sketches. So then I added my technicals, which here I feel like because the project was in the second year and many technicals ke piche I had this random ass line going on, which I felt like was not really needed and it was a little distracting. So I don't like it here, but yeah, it was still there. And then there was this project we did as a class for Octave. We had to pitch projects. The purpose of adding this project was I did add my avant-garde thing. Now it was more about designing graphic logos for the brand, and it was more about how to make it ready to wear. So Iron Man, its arc reactor, Captain America की shield हो गई, then Spider-Man and the whole thing. Then I tried to place it here and there with the technicals on flats. They did like my designs, and they selected I think 3 people from my class. I was one of them. But then the whole point was I did not want to do free work. Feel like, and this is something that my mother taught me, that free rarely generates value. It will not make you a valuable person in somebody's eyes. It was about macrame, textile explorations. It was more about texture. I made a crocheted bikini underneath this. This was like a whole swimwear over, swimwear ke upar pehnne wala. It's like a whole sexy thing going on. Yeah, here I added a little rough sketch. Then I added my project development on the side, thoda sa chota sa. Then धीरे धीरे process दिखाया, and all the knots that I was using, तो वो knots का बनाया. Then I made a cost sheet on what I think should be the cost of it. तुम designers fees भी add करते हो, and उससे पहले raw material का cost. And the photo shoot of it was not again really professional. मतलब खुद ही किया था. But yeah, this is what I did. Then I added a swimwear project, and इस project का add करने का sense ये था because जहाँ से मैं हूँ, I am from India, I am from Punjab, and Punjab is really famous for, Ludhiana particularly, is really famous for knitwear. The knitwear industry is huge. So, not including the sense of Punjab, not including the sense of what happens here, did not make much sense to me. So I did a swimwear project. It was part of our curriculum, but I added it into the portfolio for the idea of कि नहीं cover करते हैं ना जहाँ से आप खुद हो, that authentic part of you should come. And again, celebrate your story. Where are you from? तो वो चीज़ करने के लिए I added a whole swimwear collection. This was inspired by Octopus, how it releases ink, and the release was connected to how a person feels when they burst open their feelings, how an octopus releases ink as a defense mechanism sometimes. Like proper research kiya tha through social media. I collected like 170 plus images through, for my trend analysis. फिर segregation की थी इनकी on the basis of style lines, silhouette, surface, and अगर आप ये सब research कर रहे हो, इतनी detailed research है, तो why not add it? This can really help. So फिर उसके बाद process images दिखा दो because the bikini I made was reversible, and कुछ areas में जो fabric use हुआ था it was recycled because I had a very nice printed swimwear. It was my sister's and she did not wear it anymore. She outgrew it. So it was like literally waste for us. Nobody was using it. कहीं कहीं से वो फट गई थी, खराब हो गई थी. So I cut it up into strips. I stitched it on my garment on one side. The whole thing, the whole look, I'll add images of myself wearing it somewhere here. And it was a pretty cool project. Yeah. So the next project is Ji Ayanu, which is like a very sweet way to say welcome in Punjabi. I did my project development sketches, my whole inspiration. The whole inspiration was about जब आप ऊपर से पंजाब को देखते हो the whole aerial look of it. अब ऊपर से उसको देखते हो, they look like small patches of land, right? Irregular. So the whole patch idea came from there. Made this garment. One sleeve was red, the other one was orange. It had cuts. It was rugged. It was tough, and a lot of patchwork I did for this jacket. This jacket was, और इसके बीच में मेरा बहुत extremely mental breakdowns हुए थे because बीच में process में everybody was like ये बैंड बाजे वाली जैकेट लग रही है, नको लगने लग गया था ना, लगा no. Lining was bandhani and I really liked that part. It was yellow and white bandhani. It was like a nice colorful touch. I mean obviously वो दिखेगा नहीं, but it's cool कि there is something very ऐसा सा कि आपके कस्टमर को पता है कि उसके अंदर इतनी सुंदर सी वो बांधनी लगी हुई है. It will not be seen anywhere, but it's a nice personal touch to add to the garment. So yeah, this was my ode to Punjab. And then last end में आते आते I added projects that were more illustrations and artworks, the digital work I do. Projects add किए, the Vogue covers I designed in my bachelor's. And उसका मैंने brief दे दिया कि this was a brief, that what we had to do for Vogue. Then renderings add कर दो कि you know how to do fabric renderings. अभी तक मैंने प्रॉपरली फैब्रिक रेंडरिंग्स ये वो कहीं दिखाई नहीं थी, तो यार एंड में पूरा प्रोजेक्ट ऐड कर दिया. डेनिम, एम्ब्रॉयडरी, लेदर, ये वो सब का दिखा दिया. आई एडेड अ कंपाइलेशन काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग जहाँ पे मैंने जो भी एक्स्ट्रा किया है विच वाज नॉट रिलेटेड टू डिज़ाइन, लाइक फैशन स्टाइलिंग, फोटोशूट डायरेक्शंस, आई मीन लाइक द क्रिएटिव डायरेक्शन पार्ट ऑफ इट, तो मैंने वो सब ऐड करना शुरू कर दिया. दिस वाज द प्रोजेक्ट आई ऑल्सो मॉडल्ड फॉर. So added a mood board and a pose board. Styling कैसे decide की, उसकी styling board add किया. Then a little pictures. Added what the story was about. हर picture के साथ साथ क्या हो रहा था. And उसके बाद all the compilations में मैंने और भी add कर दिया था कि जो भी stitching वगैरह extra projects मैंने किए थे, that I was like सीखते सीखते जो बनाए. I really don't like them much, but दिखाने के लिए कि I know how to make complex garments. It was a full-fledged course with the inner lining. I did sound and set design. I know how to create sets and the whole creative direction part of it. Not just design. I'm not just focusing on design. I'm doing something other than fashion design too. उससे बाहर निकल के भी मेरे पास और चीज़ें हैं दिखाने के लिए. Styling है, photoshoots है. I did a little modeling. Sound design है, set design है. You add everything. I mean obviously it's a fashion design course, but harm नहीं करेगा to add all this stuff that you are a creative person. Then I added a dress. This base was muslin. I wanted it to be very free. The hand stitched part of it, it was drapery. I added that. Then this was again a sustainability competition project. ये फिर से वही part है. It was more about rebellion, the punk subculture, and fashion is big on teaching subcultures and everything. History, you need to know your history, right? Where are you? अब तुम कहाँ से आए हो, या पीछे जो चीज़ें हुई हैं वो कैसे हुई हैं, how did you arrive at this? So this was a whole subculture part of it. So I added that to show the history part of ki, yes, I do focus on history, I do learn about history and integrate it into my projects. So yes, this was my portfolio, this was my work, which helped me get into Marangoni, helped me land internships. And when you're applying to colleges, college portfolio really is more about you. Your internships portfolio are more about what the industry would like to see, what they would like. And matlab, still keep it you, but focuses more on commerciality rather than, yourself, your storytelling. But जब आप student हैं तो explore as much as you can, add as much as you can. But yeah, I would suggest keep it limited to 7 to 10 projects. So yeah, hope this helps. Bye.